Introducing the Stinger STH10TACOM Radio Replacement Kit for Toyota Tacoma. Made for Tacoma models from 2005 to 2011. This kit has everything you need to completely upgrade your Toyota Tacoma driving experience. It includes the awesome Stinger HEIGH10 10-inch touchscreen display and infotainment system, an all-in-one radio replacement interface that makes wiring super easy while retaining your Tacoma's factory controls if equipped. A custom-fit Tacoma dash kit and dual USB ports that can be flush-mounted into your dash. Just follow our included installation guide to add amazing features like Bluetooth for safe and convenient hands-free calls and streaming audio, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, where you can send and receive messages and phone calls, listen to music and podcasts, and access your phone's navigation apps, all from your radio. And of course, no car infotainment system would be complete without safety features. This system includes a total of 4 camera inputs. You can add a backup camera, 2 side view cameras, and a front camera, or any combination of cameras to your truck. And if you purchase the optional GPS chip, you'll get integrated GPS navigation from IGO for accurate and up-to-date maps and turn-by-turn navigation without reading a cell phone signal. Last but not least, for you music lovers out there, this system is DSP ready and comes with a built-in 4-channel amplifier delivering 50 watts per channel, 4-volt 6-channel RCA outputs with subwoofer control, Toslink fiber optic output, built-in crossover with high and low pass filters, and a 15-band adjustable EQ with customizable presets. So what are you waiting for? Transform your Toyota Tacoma today with the Stinger STH10 Tacom Radio Replacement Kit.